Boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Alec Benjamin with a great song called Shadow of Mine. So this one has a little bit old school feeling to it when it comes to the playing. Sounds like in the 40s, 50s, the music. And I like that very much. So very cool song from Alec Benjamin here. We need to set our capo on the 2nd fret. And we have 4 chords to learn. So let's start with that. We have first the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then comes the D. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally we have C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Yes, so we have this intro starting in the song. And that is played in 2 possible ways when it comes to the first couple of notes there. Sounds like this. And then comes a picking pattern there, okay? So you can play it like that, which I prefer for this song. Or you can choose to play it up here. Alright? So these notes up here are actually more accurate. They are exact the notes that is used. But then we're gonna use chords that is played up here, so that is more like one in the same kind of way of playing, the same kind of notes. If you choose to play it up here, it's up to you. I'm gonna show you both ways. So the one I prefer for this intro here will be, and that is open B, 1st B, open B, then 2nd G, and open G. That goes pretty quick when you play it. So for this one I use the hammer-on technique here and pull off. So that means I'm gonna play the first open, then I'm gonna hammer on the 1st fret on B string and pull off to get the open B again. Then I play the 2nd fret G string and I pull off to get the open G. So that means I actually just play 2 times on the strings and the rest I hammer on and pull off, okay? So there you have the first version here of this melody. The next one will be here, up here. So that is on the E string, 7th fret. Then 8th fret E string. Then back to 7th fret E string. And then 10th fret B string. And 8th fret B string. So there you have 2 possibilities to play this melody. And then comes the kind of picking technique here just for this intro, and then it will be just strumming much more easier. But this one I will show you there as well, because it's nice to know and handle here for this song. So it will start or go between A minor and E minor, back and forth a couple of times. Okay, So you're gonna play this part for A minor. Okay, so what you do there, the easiest way is actually to hold the A minor as it is, the chord. You're gonna play the open A together with the second D and second G. Okay, one time. And then you play 2 times on the second D. Alright? And you do that round for 2 times, so. Okay? Then you do the E minor chord. So you hold that chord. You're gonna play kind of the same pattern. This time you play the open E string in the bass together with second D and open G. And then you're gonna play 2 times on the second D. And you do that round for 2 rounds as well. Okay, so now we have played A minor and E minor. So we come this far. We're gonna play again A minor. It will be sound like this. So that is again A minor in the same way we learned for 1 round. Okay, and for this second round you will play, that is open A together with second G and open B. And then you play 2 times on the second D. And then you're gonna add the second fret G string. Like that. The second fret G. And then you play the open E string for this final E minor, open E string together with second D and open G. The same way you play E minor before for 2 rounds. Alright, so that was the intro. I'm gonna play that slow for you so you understand what we're doing. I'm gonna play it with this notes up here close to the capo here. So let's go. So there you have this intro. So now let's start with the actual song. We have the first verse. We will go back and forth, A minor, E minor for 3 rounds. All right. And we have a strumming pattern. So let's grab this A minor and we'll look at the strumming. It's very easy. It's basically 3 downs. But on the first down, you will play the bass on the bass strings like this, kind of A and D or so, and you answer with the top strings, kind of the G and B string like that. Okay, so bass, top, top, bass, top, top. That's the pattern. That's 1 round. Bass, top, top, bass, top, top, like that. Okay, so you're gonna play the A minor 2 times, then E minor 2 times. Look at that as 1 chord progression, 1 very little chord progression there. A minor, E minor. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds. So that's 1, 2, 3. All right, and then you're gonna shift and play the D, and that one you're gonna play for 3 rounds plus a short pause, because that leads us to the first chorus. So with D, pause. Okay, so A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2, and D3 plus a pause. And that takes us to the chorus. Here we're gonna continue the same way of playing here. A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2. So 3 rounds there as well. And you're gonna finish off with D for 4 times now. So not 3 plus pause, 4 times, otherwise you're gonna play in the same way as the first verse. All right, so that takes us to the second verse, and it's almost the same as the first one. The only difference here is you're gonna end with D, the last chord there, the D, for 2 rounds instead of 3, and a pause there, right? And then comes the next chorus, played in the same way as the chorus we just looked at, with the D4 in the end. So nothing changes there. And after this second chorus comes a post-chorus, all right? In the lyrics, it won't ever let me go, okay? So there we have C. In the same way of playing here, we have the bass top, that is the strumming. So C 2 times, then E minor 2 times, then D 2 times, and A minor 2 times. Then we go kind of a new round here. C 2 times, E minor 2 times, and D 4 times. Alright, so that is one chord progression. Everything here we just touched here on this post-chorus part. And you will play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So that is the post-chorus, 2 rounds of that. So just to repeat the chords, C2, E minor 2, D2, A minor 2, C2, E minor 2, and D4. You play that for 2 rounds, and that is the post-chorus. So that takes us to the third chorus. This one is played almost in the same way as the other ones. The only difference here is the last D again. This one you just do 1 down and then a big pause there that leads to the second post-chorus. Okay, so this post-chorus is same as the first one we just looked at. The only difference here is it's only 1 round of the chord progression. So yeah, it's half as long only as the first post-chorus we looked at. So that is the difference. And we have this final outro part. It's just the same strumming there, fading out A minor, E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor, E minor. So 3 rounds of this A minor, E minor combo with 2 strumming rounds per chord. So that is Alec Benjamin's Shadow of Mine. So pretty easy to play. It's the same strumming there, pretty much the same kind of chord progressions throughout the song here. The only challenge here is the intro, if you want to learn that. In my opinion, gives a lot for the song. Otherwise, skip that and just play. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget, play tuned.